I want to know what's inside. Screen. Piece of steel too. Magnetic. Another screen down here at the bottom. I could probably throw that in my number 2 now. That I'd have to cut again. What is inside? Looks like a big piece of copper. Whoa, a whole lot of balls. Whole lot of balls. After you dump that out, what's inside? Some type of a screen. Number 2. That is stainless steel screen. You might can use that for something else. Also some more in here. And another piece of screen down below. I decided to find out what's down below. Something else in there. Spring. Oh, this thing will push right out, it looks like. What we got? What we got? It's magnetic. Nice number 2 piece of copper. Still got something inside of that.